What is good? Is H back with another video. We're going to talk today about a shoe that I'm kind of disappointed that I copped just because I overpaid for it, and regrettably overpaid for it because I listened to one of my silly friends on what to do. So this one is the off-white Nike rubber dunk. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, the rubber dunk, I saw them come out and I was really intrigued by them. I liked them, and I went for them on like the sneakers app and all that stuff, and I didn't get it. So I haven't been hitting on sneakers app like I used to. Used to get like every other release or every release when Jordan 1s came out, which is crazy. So that lucky streak is over, and I've gotten some of the exclusive things. Like I just got another pair of Royal Toe 1s and Flint 13s, which are cool. They're coming in soon, but they're going right out the door. So, you know, I gotta recoup, make my profit off of those. But I haven't really hit on shoes that I actually want. So, long story short, yeah, sneakers have been disappointing. But this thing, yeah, with the off-white, I actually kind of wanted these. It's like $190. It's not a bad price, like $180, $190, I think. And I looked at it and I'm like, yo, I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them. So boom, I got in there. Didn't get them, but my buddy in LA got it, and he scored on the 9.5, which was odd. You know, he didn't even know what size. He's like a size 13. So, you know, he went for 9.5 by mistake, I think, and he ended up getting them. So he's hitting me up. He's like, yeah, I bought these. Should I sell them now and stuff? I was like, yeah, probably. How much you pay for them? He's like $290. He's at $290. I mean, I hear numbers properly. He's at $290. I went in and I was like, oh shit, that's expensive. These must be like, so it must be tough to get a hold of them or whatever. They must be a rare off-white. I also knew there wasn't much hype around them, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and bid $375 on go, because that's the prices that were around that time. So I was like, I want to solidify a pair, do a video on these. Long story short, I put in that bid for $375, and that bid went through within a week, maybe a week after release, and I got them. Then people started getting their packages. And then I started seeing prices kind of drop. I'm like, why is this down to $360, $370, $360? And then I looked in the back on sneakers, and the price was about $180 or $90, I think. And now look at prices. Try to get that in there. Boom. $180. This is what they're currently selling for. So the highest bid's $305. Lowest ask is $325. I overpaid by $50. Now let me show you the sales. You know, it's kind of, whoa, look at it. Look, kind of random on the sale, but not too bad. So this settled around I want to say $325. Let's say around $325. I paid $375 plus shipping and tax. So if I had bought it regular, I probably would have been paid $350 all in. But I paid about $405 or $6 for this shoe. So it's sad. It's a sad story. Now I'm stuck with them, and I don't mind them. I'm not gonna say that they suck on anything. I actually wanted these, but I haven't actually seen them in hand. So this is where I get to show you and do whatever. So this is just me unboxing with it. Oh man, that off-white with it. I think this is like, yeah, it's a second silver box. I like these boxes. They're pretty cool. This thing is heavy. Oh my God. It's a heavy ass box. No, it's shiny. Shiny box, heavy box. It's got the typical off-white branding with the paper. Got the GOAT pair of stickers and all that other crap on here. Thank you, GOAT. Always looking out. Thank you. And I open and I look. Oh, these are sweet. You know what? I'm not mad that I paid $375 for these anymore. But they are a heavy ass shoe. Okay. These are, look at that, the quality. Look, one thing I'll never ever, no matter, I have a bunch of off-whites like right behind me here, Tigers, whatever, and I've gotten the Vapor Streets, all those. They've all been pretty decent shoes at the end of the day. Haven't worn many of them. The only off-whites I've actually taken, actually I don't think I've ever worn any of my off-whites. I'm thinking about it. The Tigers, I got those resale too. Huh. That's crazy. I might wear these though. I'm trying to get another pair. But look at these. Whew. This is a serious winner right here. One in hand doesn't seem that hot. It's a hybrid between some off Nike Air, I forgot the name of it. I'll put a picture of it right up there, and a Dunk. The quality on here, so most of it is obviously made out of rubber. There's leather hits right here on these lace holders, I guess, or whatever, and rubber all around it. Air unit, typical sole, extra laces, the green ones, and then you have your off-white branding on this bad boy right here. So this shoe overall, man, and on the Nike, this is what I kind of really like about it. If you can see that in the camera, the stitching on that bad boy. I'm trying to get it in focus. Look at that. This stitching on that Air all around. That's pretty unique to me. You don't see that on a lot of the shoes, but the off-white branding and everything makes this kind of cool. But man, this shoe, like, if I was gonna skate in this, if I was a skater, it definitely holds up. I like the obviously the deconstructed feel to it. The rubber swoosh is cool because it kind of, again, going with the deconstructed look, it's kind of off here and off here. So yeah, this is an amazing piece of artwork. No writing on the tab, which is interesting. Didn't see that coming. And the made in China thing. I like this shoe a lot, and I wanna, yeah, I'm definitely gonna put it to wear. There's a lot of cool detail here on the toe box. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there is sort of a pattern there that looks pretty cool. And yeah, Virgil did this thing on this shoe. I don't know why people aren't feeling it like that. The other two colorways are reselling actually a little bit better than this one, which is odd. You know, I thought this to me was a superior colorway, and it didn't make it, I guess. Didn't make it, you know, to where it was supposed to be. But I do regret paying so much for it. So if I double up on pairs, maybe I feel a little bit better about that. But yeah, man, this was a big L for me, like from a spend standpoint, but I'll make it up on something else. Maybe all those Jordans I just got, the 2 Jordans I got off the exclusive access this past week. But yeah, so yeah, this shoe overall I'm giving a 7 out of 10. I'm not a Dunk guy, so I got, you know, I don't wear them that much, but I think it's a 7 out of 10 overall for me. And the shoe looks amazing in my opinion, just from the deconstruct look. I already have I have something that matches this exactly. It's gonna look crazy with hats and everything. So probably you'll see me on IG with that fit. But you know, it's, yeah, man. This is one of Virgil did good on. This and the off-white Jordan 5s, which is actually right behind me. Yeah, the Jordan 5s right here. These are fucking fire too. Probably getting rid of these at some point. I haven't worn them yet either. But these joints, yeah. That kind of matches what I'm wearing. Look at that. It's pretty fire. Anyway, like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the rubber Dunk from Off-White. You know, I'm a believer in it. I believe in it. If you don't believe in it, tell me. And we'll go from there. But yeah, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and we out. Peace.